Hello and welcome to OrbisPay. I'm Cleo and I'm here to help explain how to link your debit card. In this video, we'll go over how easy it is to connect your debit card to your account. This will allow you to get paid instantly for the work you've done in the account you want the money in, giving you full control of your finances. In the Card section at the bottom of your app, you will find prompt to add a card to your portal. Simply enter your card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit CVV security code located on the back of the debit card. You will now be able to instantly receive your earned wages for a one-time fee per transaction. And that's it. Feel free to reach out to me if you need help in the future by clicking on Profile located on the bottom right corner of the app, and then press Get Help. Congratulations on your journey to financial freedom.